Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to use Rent a Cyber Friend to earn money. First, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. First, if you go and open as example your browser and go to Rent a Cyber Friend websites, or you can even download the application from your device app store or Play Store if you're going to use this on your phone. Here, the first thing that you can do as an example is sign on up to an account or login into an account if you have one. And here you can either become a cyber friend or join as a caller. If you want to get paid, you'll need to become a cyber friend. And from here, click on become a cyber friend. And here you'll have to basically sign up for an account. You can use a Google or an Apple account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating an account. So for me, I'm going to use here a Google account. Click on continue, and here you are. Basically, it will fill a lot of your informations and it will create your accounts directly. But keep in mind, if you sign up with Google, it will not fill up all the required data, as you can see, to be able to accept calls. So first, if you want, you can click on edit profile, and from here, just fill up any necessary data. As an example here, just anything that is required, you will notice by this red star, you can just go and click on it. Here you'll have to introduce yourself. An example, just say a story. For me, I'm just going to say here, just here to, as an example, be your friend or something like that. For you, do whatever you want in the description or about you to stand out between others. Here you'll have to choose your gender, when, as an example, did you born, and those are required. The other things are not required. You can add them as an example, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So once you're done adding any other thing, of course, make sure to add a photo as well. It increases your trust as well. So once you're done with that, just click on submit to finish things up. So as you can see here, they're telling me at least one interest is required and at least one language is required. So since this is required, let's just go and enter it out. Let me just go here and look for English as an example. And for the interests, as an example, let's just go and look for gaming conversation. Why not? So you can add more as an example, and here you can choose the price per minute. So as an example, I'm just going to list it as it is. You can increase it, you can decrease it if you want to. It seems this is the minimum. So for me, I'm just going to list it as it is. And here, let's just go back and hit submit for a quick auto review. And seems everything is good now. So the review is in progress. Your profile is currently in the standard queue. This typically will take from 4 to 7 business days. But if you want to get fast track approved, as you can see in 10 minutes, you can skip that. You only need to do just pay your $5. Example, you'll get a priority manual review, fast approval notification, and 7 days of unlimited profile updates. So once you complete all your profile information, or when your profile is ready, once of course you get approved, you can set yourself online. And whenever you're available, or as example, you set yourself as available to make or to receive calls. When someone starts a video call with you, you simply just have a friendly and professional conversation, and your earning will be calculated depending or based on the length of the call and depending on the rates that you set. After each completed call, your earning will appear in your dashboard here on the left panel. You can click on call and earning, and you'll be able to see all your calls and all your earnings. For me, I don't have any call history. I still haven't called anybody. I still haven't even finished the review. Here you'll find even text earnings as an example. If you have, or if you like texting more than calling, it's also, or you also have the option to earn through that as well. So here, as you can see, you have the premium text. Will you'll be able to earn $0.50 per incoming text. If you want to earn through text, you can do that as well. So that's basically how you can use Cyber or rent a cyber friend to earn money. Of course, for you, once you reach the minimum withdrawal amounts, you can open, as example, the website, go to dashboard, again, then come to this left panel, and you'll be able to withdraw any money that you have. As you can see, you have here PayPal, Wise Transfer, and bank transfer option. So the minimum is $50 for all of them. So once you reach that, you can go and choose any payments method, and you'll get paid very fast. And before getting started, remember that your success will depend on getting callers. So some users report that earning good money, as example, is totally up to you and how do you interact with others so they can, as example, come back next time, or just simply share that you were a good friend with other people so they can call you next time. So what others, of course, say it can take a lot of time to build a client base, so the results may vary depending on you, how good your character as well, which will make a big difference. So that will be it for me in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit that like and subscribe if you do, and watch our next video.